Additionally, what we have here is a drainage problem. Maddie, come. Tell me when you're ready.
You can just go.
Additionally, we have a drainage problem here. The customer came to me, they said one of the main problems they have is they have a spring here. When the water table is high, they have a spring that's turning their driveway into a muddy mess. So if we look at the hillside up behind the excavator there, you can see there's a little bit of a draw. So what's happening is that draw is basically funneling the water, and even though, you know, when there's a storm, obviously that draw would be running with water. When there's not a storm, we basically have groundwater that still kind of concentrates at the bottom of that draw. And what's happening is, because we've dug into the hillside here, we have some of that water starting to daylight, so we have a spring right in the middle of the driveway. So what we're going to do is, you can see we have some drain pipe up there that's 4-inch corrugated perforated sleeve drain pipe. We're going to dig a big hole and really get to where we're getting that spring water to just flow right into a big hole. We're going to put poly liner in the bottom, then we're going to put 2-inch washed river rock in there. Right, it's probably not going to be washed because it's going to get filled with dirt over the long haul anyway. But then we'll go ahead and we'll cap it with some weed fabric. We're going to put our 4-inch corrugated perforated pipe in the middle of that 2-inch river rock, and we'll drain that spring right out to either the uphill side or the downhill side of our culvert. We haven't made that determination yet. We're going to kind of see how the excavation unfolds. So we're digging our 20 by 20 box, then we're going to dig and grab our spring water. We're going to shoot it out to one of the ends of our culvert, and then to cap it all off and to really put the cherry on top for this driveway entrance, we're going to go ahead and put down our 1.5-foot average riprap rock, and we're going to face the top of it. So what we're going to be left with is a nice, almost like a cobblestone type driveway entrance that's going to drain, it's going to stay dry, and it's always going to stay solid, and your customer can just go right up that, and they'll have good traction for this relatively steep driveway. They should be happy.